Me and Jackson went down to Dumbo. We've got some stormy clouds that were rolling in. We thought we might get lucky, but it kind of looks like we're gonna get stuck. Check this boy out. Can we have that? Can we steal that one? We have to get to the train station. It's 9 minutes away.
I'm going to dance, so I can't go that fast.
Now I'm getting wet. Ooh. So this actually feels incredible because all day it's been incredibly humid, 90 to 92 degrees. So this just, I feel like I deserve this. It was so good. We've been walking all day. We're getting soaked. My shoes are gonna have to dry. We're getting to the train station, but it's still up there a ways. Any comment, Jackson?
It's amazing.
It's amazing. The rain.
It
tastes terrible.
It smells like Arizona.
Horrible.
All right, let's actually go.
It tastes like I just licked dust.
The light meter still works at this point. But, you know,
We made it to the train. We're soaked. I'm drenched. He's soaked. Just got all my rings. Amazing.